10,000 Pots is an Austin-based company specializing in Vietnamese ceramics, imported pottery, birdbaths, and garden decor. With the largest selection of ceramics in Texas, you're sure to find something you'll love. Nationwide shipping is available. We have a wholesale program for retailers, garden centers, and plant nurseries. We have also worked with a variety of landscapers and builders on various commercial projects, including hotels and restaurants. No project too big or small. Reach out for more information and to set up your account. Are you looking to add a water feature to your garden oasis? 10,000 Pots stocks a diverse selection of fountains to pick from, or you can create something completely unique from any pot in the yard. We're open 9 a.m. to 6 p.m., 7 days a week. Visit us in-store at 12006 US 290 in Austin, or shop online at www.10000pots.com. If you have questions, give us a call at 512-584-8889.